All right, for number four. Number four, we have this addition, and we do not have a common denominator. So we need a common denominator. But before we find the common denominator, we should go ahead and factor out the denominator of the second fraction, which should be x plus 1 times x minus 3. And with that, we can tell what we are missing. We are missing x minus 3. Okay, so we multiply x minus 3 for the first fraction for both numerator and the denominator. So now we have a single common denominator. And what about the numerator? Well, x plus 3 times x minus 3 is something special. That's called x squared minus 9. And then you have the plus 8. And when you do that, you have x squared minus 1. And x squared minus 1, hopefully there's something that rings the bell. But before we do that, we should also go ahead and write down the restrictions. X cannot be -1, x cannot be 3, because if x is -1, that makes the first parentheses 0. If x is 3, that makes the second parentheses 0. Oops. Okay. And now you will go ahead and factor out the numerator, which is x plus 1, x minus 1. And that's how you can see we have something to cancel out. So your final answer is going to be just x minus 1 over x minus 3. Okay, so actively factoring, actively seeking things that can be canceled out, that would be very crucial, okay, for any of these addition and subtraction questions. And of course, making sure that you know how to find out and get the common denominator.